Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this BlitzWolf BWBL2 Bluetooth transmitter and receiver. Let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, find out all about this product. Now inside we're going to find out, of course, the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. A card from the company, scan to connect with us, great. And of course we've got a cable from 3.5 aux to 3.5. And another cable, Type A to micro USB, because you can charge this unit. It has a lithium battery, 200 mAh. Charging time, it takes about 2 hours. Working time, it is from 5 hours to 7 hours. It depends the mode you will choose, receiver or transmitter. Ultra compact portable size, just enjoy melody on the go. Have it with you and at any time you can use it. Let's say you have a smartphone that it doesn't have a 3.5mm aux and you need to connect your headphones. Connect via Bluetooth to your smartphone and then connect your headphones here and listen your favorite music. It has a low power consumption, simple connection, and here we can see we've got the switch from RX to TX, from receiver to transmitter and the opposite. The on-off button, LED indicator, micro USB port and the 3.5mm connection. Nice, like it. Fits to my palm. It is small. It has a superior Bluetooth version 5, ensures steady signal transmission, low power consumption and HD audio output. Supported protocols on receiver and transmitter is A2DP. If your TV doesn't have a Bluetooth, you can transmit audio from your TV to your Bluetooth headphones via this adapter. Or you want to connect your speakers, connect your speakers to the 3.5 aux, and from your smartphone you can listen music to your speakers. With a 2-in-1 design, broad compatibility, transmitter mode and receiver, you have the choice to connect as you wish and listen music to your favorite devices or from your favorite devices. If that is a home cinema, speaker, TV, your desktop, it is your choice. And with a 200 mAh battery, definitely the battery will last enough to enjoy your favorite music. Well, let's connect it and see how it works. But before that, of course, we can charge it. You can charge it to your laptop, desktop, at any 5-volt output device, to your power bank, power adapter, it is your choice. And then we've got the red LED, that means it's charging. Nice. Now let's turn it on. Press and hold the power button, it's flashing. We need on receiver mode. Nice, it's flashing blue. Get your smartphone, searching. BWBL2, connecting. Hello, pair. And that was all. Connected. And now from my smartphone, I will hear music through this device by connecting the 3.5 headphone. Let's go to the music. And oh yes, loud and clear. I can hear the music with no problem. Great bass. Clear sound. Great. Everything you can hear very well. Of course, it has to do with your headphones, what kind of headphones you've got, the quality, of course, and then you will enjoy great music. And of course, I can connect my desktop speaker to this receiver, on a receiver mode, of course. And again, I can hear music to my desktop speaker from my smartphone through this device. Thumbs up. An easy way to use your smartphone, hear music to your desktop speaker. Or I can connect my desktop directly with a 3.5mm cable and then switch on a transmitter mode, and we can see it's flashing red. Take any Bluetooth device. This is a Bluetooth earbuds. Turn on. Wear it. To go to the pair mode. Pairing set. And we are waiting to connect to this transmitter. And connect it. And you can see now it's flashing slowly red. That means we've got a connection. And now I can hear music from my desktop through this device to my earbuds, to my true wireless earbuds. And it sounds great. I like it. Amazing. It is a great choice. Connect your Bluetooth earbuds, and from your desktop you can have this transmitter transmit the sound to your earbuds and listen to your favorite music, and even you can play games, watch a movie, do whatever you want. It is your choice. Easy and fast way to connect your earbuds. And I can say the sound quality, it is amazing. Of course, it has to do what kind of earbuds you've got. Great quality earbuds, it will give you a great sound. But this transmitter definitely is doing the job. I don't see any differences if I'm connecting my earbuds to my smartphone compared with this transmitter. Thumbs up, great job, great quality. And of course you can connect tablets, MP3, CD players, TVs and other devices. If you decided to use the transmitter mode. If you choose to use the receiver mode, then you get more devices to control. And of course you can choose between the receiver or transmitter mode. It is your choice. It has to do which device you want to connect and how you want to connect. You can use the receiver mode to connect your desktop speakers and listen to music from your smartphone. Or if your smartphone doesn't have a 3.5mm jack, it is a great choice. Buy this receiver transmitter and connect your lovely headphones and listen to your music from your smartphone. There are so many choices because this is a receiver and transmitter. Definitely you will find the right choice to use this device. If you need to buy it, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, click it and find more information and where you can buy it. And with all of that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and that was all. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.